Bonfire believes that procurement and sourcing teams have been heavily underserviced. They still generally rely on really manual, paper and Excel-based methods to make hugely valuable and important decisions around spend. We set out to change that, to make procurement teams strategic in nature versus administrative in nature, and ultimately help companies and public sector organizations save a lot of money. We had a growing sales team doing more and more presentations, but really no way to track the message that was going out and the success of them, and the ability to go back and look at, how are we communicating, what questions were coming up from the client. The main thing that we really liked about it when I got the first demo from their CEO was we didn't have to do anything. There wasn't any implementation. Our sales team really likes using Gong, especially the new mobile version of it that came out. It's been really helpful where they can access their calls and the team's calls, also metrics. It went from just 4 of us using it to now we're 18, maybe over 20 users now in multiple departments. Typical ramp time for SaaS companies, say 6, 9, or even 12 months, and I can make that someone's really comfortable with demoing our platform within 12 weeks. That's dramatic. Hundreds and hundreds of webinars and calls have been recorded with Gong. From a price perspective, value perspective, right off the bat, it was a no-brainer.